The one call, that's all.
That's a great question. And I do love our slogan, one call, that's all. It only takes one call to get started on your case. But again, if you don't have the follow up, that's instilling the mission in your team. I think the key for us, and you hit the nail on the head, is we have always been consistent with one call, that's all. But again, it's not just the slogan, it's you have to have the wherewithal and the standing behind the slogan. And that's where it's been the people that we have had at this firm for 44 years. Nike had just do it, but yet their shoes fell apart the first time you wore them. The slogan would have been meaningless. Yeah, they would have had a lot of first time buyers, but they never would have had a second time buyer. I've had one guy that I have represented 7 times. Thankfully, they've all been relatively minor, but we treated him right the first time. And so every subsequent rec over the next, 15 years, he called us back. He called us the first time literally because of his slogan. Because I asked him, I said, why'd you call us? He goes, grew up with one call, that's all.